Alright, I'm back with another video, and this is a video on how to get 180 waves for coarse hair wavers. So, right into the video, I really want to jump right into this, is make sure you have the right type brushes. So if you are a 180 coarse hair waver, please make sure you have the right brushes. If you see this, please do not use this brush. If you're trying to get waves, just don't use it. Don't use it. And if you're new, don't use a crown brush. Like, don't start off with a smaller palm brush. Like, don't start off with that yet. You want to make sure you get just a simple wave brush, like something simple like this. It's gonna be able to cover your head. You're gonna have nice connections, everything like that. So trust me on this. Make sure you get a simple wave brush so that way you won't have to worry about forks. Personally, if you're a coarse hair waver, I would recommend that you use a hard brush first, then do a medium brush, then do a soft brush. But sometimes a hard brush can be tough in your hair, so you can do a medium and then a soft. But for a coarse hair waver, your primary brush that you really want to put a lot of your work in is a medium or a hard. That's going to give you the pull. That's going to give you the pull you need for your waves. Like, for it to pull, you need to use a tougher brush. Like, just to be honest with you, that's going to give you really good progress, and it's also going to keep your hair laid down in, so you have more control. If you are a coarse hair waver, you need a soft brush too. That's going to help lay down your hair, and then that's also going to help just give you a really good session. Like, it's going to help you really lay down your hair, and it's also going to just give it a good shine too, I notice. So, you know, just make sure you use those brushes. Make sure you use the right brushes, and then also you want to make sure you have sporting waves. Make sure you get some sporting waves. Like, get good sporting waves. Like, get sporting waves. You know, this is a good product. This is a maximum hold. It's gonna have good hold for you. Another thing is too, if you're a coarse hair waver, your wave, you can get the waves the fastest. If you're a coarse hair waver, your waves are gonna show up faster than any other type waver, because your hair is gonna curl faster than like a medium or a straight hair waver. With us, we have to wolf way longer than a coarse hair waver. So just keep that in mind. So you really don't have time to develop bad habits, because your hair's gonna grow faster, and the next thing you know, it's out of control and you have to cut it again. So just make sure you stick to good routines and everything. Make sure you have a do-rag and all that, but make sure you're using the right brushes. Another thing too is to make sure you use a mirror. You know, if you're in the mirror and you have another mirror, you can make sure you get your connections. Make sure you get a good session in, you know, make sure all that's good. You know, get on the other side. You know, you can brush it, you know, boom, reach angles, all that good stuff. And last thing, you want to make sure you wear your do-rag every night, every day. You wear it more if you want to, but just really make sure you have the brushes. The brushes are the most important thing with a coarse hair waver. Is a brush. It's important for all of us, but because your waves show the fastest and your hair curls a lot faster than our hair, make sure you have a good brush so that way you can pull the curl down and you can keep the curl laying down longer, so you get better waves. My followers or subscribers are coarse hair wavers, so I just wanted to give you tips. So make sure you use the right brush, man. Like, please make sure you buy the right brush. Make sure they are all the same height. Make sure your brushes are all the same height, so you don't have to worry about connections. And make sure you use a medium or a hard brush. The goal is to get all three. You want to get a medium, you want to get soft, and you want to get a hard brush. So that way you can change it. Like, if your hair grows, you can use a hard brush. If you get a fresh cut, you can use a soft brush. If you're kind of like in between, you can get a medium. You want to get all three, so you know your hair is gonna grow. It's gonna be at different stages. So keep that in mind. I think that's pretty much the end of the video. I just want to tell you guys about that. And make sure you like the video, make sure you subscribe, and I'll be back with another video. And I'm out.